babe, you can't stay, oh, you can't.
Yeah! Lord of Jesus.
How be juju be that?
Lord of Jesus.
Babe, I was surprised when you told me at the door.
I was bored at home, sir.
You were bored at home.
Mm-hmm.
You could have stayed at home. This is late.
It was just past 10. Come on.
Past 10.
Mm-hmm.
Your road is rough and lonely. I don't like this kind of night movement.
See, I have something very important to tell you. Hey! Let me get water. I need to get something.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
What is inside this your food? Babe, come on now. Come and sit down now. Let's talk. We need to talk.
God have mercy upon us.
Come and sit down. Why are you looking at me like this now? Oh yeah, sorry. I know you don't like night walk now. I know you don't like all this night movement. I've thought about this, like, I've really thought about everything. You know, we have been in a relationship for three weeks. And I've come to the conclusion that
what?
we should move in together. Yeah. Why? Your place is close to my workplace. I miss you a lot. We spend a lot of time together. There's no point me using Uber coming down to your place. Come on. I have an apartment, you have an apartment. Why don't you just cut the rent and just like, yeah, live together? Yeah, the right decision.
That's what you came here. So, I still catch me with that now. So now what if she wants and we shouldn't feel it tomorrow? We'll move in together. 3 weeks later. You if you walk cool. This one mark. Since 3 weeks, you know, agree.
God have mercy upon us.
Come, Anita, our babe, you know this. See, babe, you can't stay, oh, you can't.
Lord of Jesus.
How be juju be that?
Lord of Jesus.
Hey, Oluwa! Ah! Obìnrin.
Babe, you can stay.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.